Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan with cream cheese. First, let's create the caramel. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it becomes a rich amber color. Be careful not to burn it. Once melted, immediately pour the hot caramel into a 9-inch round baking dish. Carefully swirl the dish to ensure the bottom and a small portion of the sides are evenly coated. This forms the delicious base for our flan. Now, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a blender, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 5 large eggs until smooth. Next, add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Finish by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. This ensures a silky texture for your delicious dessert. With the caramel set, carefully pour the cream cheese flan mixture over it in the baking dish. Place the dish into a larger pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Once baked, let it cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. To serve, gently run a thin knife around the edges of the chilled flan to loosen it. Place a serving plate upside down over the baking dish, then carefully and confidently invert the flan onto the plate. The rich caramel will cascade over the flan, creating a beautiful, glossy finish. Slice and serve this delightful dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy every creamy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.